Another afterwork drift event. Crazy cars tonight. A nice Ferrari, nice BMW, so we're stepping it up. Well, at least the clients are doing it, some of them. But it's good to see. So yeah, I'll show you around, you know how it goes. We're having a good time. It's getting colder now, but people are having fun, as you can see. Yeah, I'll show you some of the sights and sounds during the evening, and I hope you like it. Sorry guys, didn't do much filming so far. Got some issues with the lighting. The fuse is jumping out all the time, so yeah, I had to get that stuff right. It's kind of working. So yeah, but now back on track, doing some laps. Not sure if you can see me. I'll try to do some filming, so let's go.